some YouTube channels, so I'm going to do a few things to test out the water. So this is my first episode of the channel that I'm going to be a motorcycle reviewer. So this is about I'm going to review this bike. I've had this bike for about 5 years. It's a Suzuki Bandit. It's 1250cc. It's got no tech on it. Basically, it's an engine in a frame. Although it has got ABS on it. What I want to tell you about this bike is how it compares to what you get for your money. So you get these bikes quite cheaply. They're about 2.5–3 grand at the minute. But what you do get with this bike is fantastic reliability. You know, I've had this bike parked up for 3 months and half a click of the button and it just fires up. It's great. It's a sports tourer, so you can tour on it. And you know, so I've been around Scotland and Wales. I haven't been abroad yet, but I'm planning on doing that. This bike will take you anywhere. Very reliable. Does about 40 miles to the gallon. So it's not amazingly economic, but it's a 1250cc engine, so you can pull anything with it. If you've got somebody on the back, you don't even feel that they're on the back. It has got luggage with it, although I haven't got it on obviously, but yeah, it's got luggage with it, so you can put your luggage on it. You've got everything that you need. It's a comfortable bike. It's got here, it's got some wind resistance here. I've put this extra little fin on it, and that is an absolute game changer. So this bike, when you're going about 70 miles an hour, you feel the wind on your shoulders, but when you put that on, you don't get the wind on your shoulders. Go scooting over the top of your helmet. Absolutely fantastic. So got a stainless steel original exhaust on it. You could put, you know, a bespoke exhaust on that, and you could map the engine. It'll go like stink, but it goes fast enough for me at the minute. So this bike, I'm going to show you a little bit of photography, flying around the where are we? Oh my God. And where are we? So we're in Derbyshire. We're at a place called Mamtour. It's very hilly here, and we're going to just show you some shots of this bike riding around here. I'm also going to show you some shots of when I did a Scotland tour and a little bit of the Welsh tour. So the bike's been about the country a little bit, and you know what, it's never dropped a beat. Even in the rain, it's solid. In the wind, it's solid, and it doesn't really feel the bumps. In terms of suspension, it's got that. It's nothing fancy. It's non-adjustable. I had to look there because I don't even know if it's adjustable. Is it? It might be. Anyway, it's got shock absorbers. It's got a single shocker at the back, and you know what? I've never changed it. I've never needed to. Bike has got the ability to hold the road more than I've got the ability to ride it. So you know, you fly around bends and you can throw that bike right over, and it won't budge. It's so solid on the road. It's got some Bridgestone battle axes on it. So this back tyre is it's soft on the sides for the sports bit, and it's quite tough compound in the middle of the wheel, so you can get lots of mileage on it. But I've got no problem with them tyres. I've been in the rain and in the dry. They're absolutely perfect. What else have I got on this bike that's a little bit different? Well, nothing really, because I don't do anything to them. I have got something called Sintred brake pads in there. So I didn't really like the brakes on this bike, so I was going to put some braided hoses on it. I didn't. I got some Sintred pads, so the racing pads, metal pads. You can get them off, you know, online, and they're not really expensive. But that must have changed the stopping distance of that front brake for, I would say, 40%, because they're really great brake pads. Sintred brake pads. If you've got one of these and you want to replace your brake pads, try them. Right, I've got nothing else to say now, so we're going to show you how it rides. Take two.